When you are present, conscious, and living with intentional purpose, you know at a deep level that anything is possible when you follow certain principles. Any result is achievable. Any state of mind can be attained when you focus your intention with clarity and purpose toward the outcome of your desire. Anything is possible in life when you have these 5 things. Number 1, clarity about what you want in life. Number 2, precise planning, or the know-how to get what you want. Number 3, the ability to adapt and overcome. Number 4, purposeful persistence. And number 5, a make-it-happen mentality. Let me explain each principle a little further so that you can implement them in your life and bring about the change you desire. Number 1, clarity about what you want. If you're in a city where you've never been and you don't have a map or clarity about where you want to go, it's not very likely you will end up in a place you truly want to be. In the same way, in life, if you don't know what you really want, you're not likely to ever arrive where you want. You'll wander around aimlessly, doing the next comfortable thing to get by, living with a hole in your soul, like almost everyone else on this planet. When you have clarity about what you want and why you want it, your entire life changes. It changes firstly because when you know what you want, you can then go about the business of working towards it. And every day you work toward that destination, just like a destination on the map, you'll move closer to it. And second, it gives you meaning and energy, a reason to get up with passion and strive towards something you love, versus going through the motions to just get by with no meaning. Having a target to work toward gives you physical energy. It lights up your life. Number 2, precise planning, the knowing of how you're going to achieve it. Now that you have your clarity and goals, you need to plan how you're going to achieve it by breaking down all the steps required to get there. How are you going to achieve your goal? What steps are required to reach your destination? What do you have to learn to achieve it? How long will it take if you were purposeful in making it your reality? How much do you have to grow to become the person capable of achieving it? Is the person you are right now capable of that? Are you willing to accept responsibility to become the person capable? Number 3, the ability to adapt and overcome. Plans rarely ever work out exactly as planned. It's very important to have plans, and clear ones at that. But it's just as important to have a mentality that knows I will find my destination, even if the path I'm on right now doesn't lead there. Not every plan will work out. Not every path will lead to your goal. You must adapt and find the paths that do. Change the plan, not the goal. Never give up on your goal, but be consciously aware of moments you must change your approach. Number 4, purposeful persistence. It is so important when times get tough, when you suffer setbacks, you have a never give up mentality, a never quit mentality that's ingrained in you because you know why you're doing it all. You persist for your purpose. You know your purpose at a deep level. You know exactly why you must achieve this milestone in your life. You know what it means to you, what it will mean to all those who love you. Number 5, a make it happen mentality. This ties into many other points, but really, it's the ability to give a little extra effort when you don't feel like it, when you're tired, when it doesn't seem possible, when everything is going against you, when the universe is really testing you to see how bad you really want it. There are going to be moments when life is really testing you to see if you really want this goal. Those are the moments when most people give up and take the most comfortable option, which is usually quitting and returning to a life they didn't want. This is also the moment you must not quit. This is the moment you stand up, make it happen, build that mental strength, build that persistence muscle. You might discover that you have so much more inside than even you knew yourself. Finally, you must believe. If you don't believe it's possible, you will never achieve anything, no matter how clear your goals are. Your mind won't allow you to engage your full efforts in anything you don't truly believe can manifest. You must believe. If you're lacking belief, find someone who's achieved a similar result, someone who's living or lived a similar life to you and achieved a similar target. Study them for reference that you too can achieve this goal you have. Believe, get clarity, plan it out, adapt, persist, achieve.